How to filter in Excel. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a step-by-step tutorial in order to do so. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started with the process. We can head over to Excel for that and go ahead and look out for our data here like this and ensure that your data has headings like this. For example, something like this. And you can click anywhere inside of your table once you open up your Excel document. And once you do so, what you can do is you can just go and select the data that you would like to filter out and go to the data tab at the top of the screen, the menu. And from here, we can go ahead and select this option of filter here. Directly, you can find it up. You can just go and click on it like this. And you'll be finding arrow options available here. A small drop-down arrows will appear on each of the heading available. Now I can just go over and click on the drop-down arrow like this. After that, we can just go over and apply of the filter. We can choose what we want to see here, such as we can sort it out by smallest to largest, sort it by color, etc. You can just go and choose it up. Let's do for this heading instead and apply the filter. And then you can click on it and we can sort it out by color. Let's say you can click on custom sort if you'd like to do so. And let's say cell color and click on OK, and it will apply the changes, and all sort of criteria must be applied for that. And you can just go and apply the filter. You want to select all or not selected. You can sort it out by smallest to largest, largest to smallest. An example, basically apply the filter easily. You can click on OK once it is done, and that's it. If you want to remove the filter, you can go to data once again and basically clear. Once the filter is applied, you can just go and click on this option called clear and turn it off again, and that's it. So that's it everybody. In order to apply the filter, you can follow up this simple method, which is super easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.